Hey there, it's Lisa Sweeney here from Business in Heels, and I want to tell you a little bit about our journey with QuickBooks. Last time we chatted, we just signed up. Well, this time in only less than half an hour, I had our whole team loaded on to the system, so that's 5 people, and I had an accountant linked up as well as the bank feeds linked in. How easy is that? And then, just to make it really super easy, QuickBooks employs another company to do the import for you. So I just had to press a button to say we were ready to do the import. 2 days later, all the data's in there. It was so easy.
Hi there, it's Jo Plummer, co-owner of Business in Heels, and as promised we said that we would share our entry to QuickBooks with you so that we could let you know what we're finding as we're swapping over from our current system. So a couple of things I'd love to share with you. Firstly, that the thing I liked when I very first went into QuickBooks, having sort of put my business name and details in there, is that the next time I went in, it reminded me to provide my mobile number and then immediately sent me a verification code. And I really love the idea of having that added secure process. I also noticed that when I went in and checked out the settings, that we were actually set to the accrual accounting method. Now, of course, we use the cash accounting method because that's more real in terms of what you've received. And so I was very easily able to check the box that enables cash accounting. In the last bookkeeping system, every report that I generated, I had to go in and change that each time, which was incredibly annoying, especially when you get halfway through a report and realise that you'd forgotten to do that.
So further on our QuickBooks journey, we've now got all the reporting set up. Gee, that's been a breeze. It's got a special component too for budgeting, so I really love that. And the best part of all is that all our headings and categories and all that have come over. So it's been super easy. The only thing that they won't import for you, which is something to be aware of, is some of your recurring invoices. So the things that are happening in the future. You can actually pay a little bit more if you want to get this service done for you. And for us, it was something like $35. So I have to say it's been a super easy setup, and so far we're really impressed.
I love, love, love that you can customize how the information is reported. So for example, when I was customizing our profit and loss report, I could make expenses appear in red, as well as have them with those negative brackets or a little minus sign, which of course makes it much easier to decipher whether you're looking at a positive number or a negative number when you're in the depths of analysis and data entry mode. Sometimes it's you're not quick enough to pick up some of those nuances. And I can also see that I can show percentage and dollar changes against things like previous year or indeed against other categories, which is very handy. But my 2 favourite things, being able to contact QuickBooks in a number of different ways, and it's really overt, they don't hide it. So I can chat online, I can email, or I can actually call someone and speak to a real person if I need some help. And lastly, when I jump onto my front page, I can actually, or my dashboard, I can actually see immediately who owes us money. So I can pick up the phone then and there, or drop them a line or a text or so forth, and just give them a friendly reminder, which is really helpful for cash flow. So that's my experience to date.